Come in this morning, this has hardened up beautifully. Looks really good and solid. I'm gonna put another coat on that this morning, first thing. We'll give them a quick sand the area again, and we'll do another coat on it. That's a good way to start the day. I reckon my fiberglassing techniques are getting a lot better. Just give you a quick run through of what I'm doing. So yeah, I sanded it, and then I wiped it down with metho. That's just to clear the dust from a larger area. Then I hit it with some acetone, which sort of melts it a little bit, makes it very good for the resin to adhere to. Then using small pieces of fiberglass with frayed edges. I'm trying not to have any square edges anywhere so that it all blends. Just small pieces at a time, and I'm just dabbing it. Dabbing, just to really get it to fill in and fit around those curves. Now you might have noticed as well that I rounded all the corners, and that's so that it's easier for the fiberglass to wrap around. That's about it. And the last thing I do is hit it with the little roller just to try and get any air bubbles out. And after all that, we'll give it another light sand, and that will be ready to prime up and paint. Fantastic. Let's do the other side now.